Coming up next, you're going to have an opportunity to take a peek into legal nurse consulting in Canada. Joan Davis is joining me as a Canadian nurse who has also worked in the United States, and she highlights some of the differences, the challenges, and the opportunities of legal nurse consulting in Canada. Joan, we covered a bunch of topics in your podcast. What were some of the ones that we covered with you?
Thank you, Pat. We talked about the climate for medical malpractice in Canada versus the US and some of the reasons for the difference. We discussed the highest known settlement in Canada and what that case was about. We talked about caps on pain and suffering in Canada. We discussed the Rule 53 and other rules of court that apply to experts. We also talked about preparing expert reports in Canada and how this is different and similar to the US. We also talked about some of the barriers faced by legal nurse consultants in Canada and the types of cases that LNCs are assisting attorneys with.
There was a lot of territory that we covered in 30 minutes. You'll get some insights about legal nurse consulting in Canada and see the opportunities that exist for legal nurse consultants. You can watch Legal Nurse Podcast on our YouTube channel at Legal Nurse Business. You can listen to it on the audio channels of Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and others. And you can also listen to it on our app, which is Expert Edu, that you can download from the Google Play Store or Apple Apps Store. On the app, you'll be able to get tips, videos, articles, and podcasts for Legal Nurse Podcast. So be sure to get Expert Edu and have Legal Nurse Podcast in the palm of your hand at whenever you want to listen to it, wherever you want to listen to it. See you on our next Legal Nurse Podcast.